I'm Cindy Patterson. I came here from Washington, D.C. I was the IT director for a tax law firm, and I didn't do art at all. It took coming to Casa Grande, Arizona. We came to Casa Grande in '96 in our motorhome, traveling. We became residents in 2005. When I discovered the Art Association, I had started cutting cans. Girlfriends and I took a day trip to De Grazia's Gallery of the Sun. I came home and cut my first can, a soda can. I was hooked. From then on, I cut anything the food comes in. I'm just known as Arizona's canologist. I make flowers out of tin cans. They are sophisticated ladies, and they are fiesta girls that pop. This is a hibiscus. She's just been finished for the studio tour. She is a sophisticated lady. So we're having a ball. We started putting art in our yard. I got my husband Larry to start painting to be outside with me. And it's more fun than anything I ever thought would be. And meeting all the people is great. It's super. And my girls enjoy it. They all have names. I'm strange. They're like their mother. They like to ride in cars with boys. I have to tell their new owners that every time. There was something else I was going to tell you. Oh, birthdays and Christmases, since I've been doing this, are a little different. You know how ladies always get rings and furs and things like that. I get nut driver extensions, magnetic nut drivers, bolt nips, replacement parts for my Dremel tool, and I have my own toolbox. Those are all the fun things that I get birthday and Christmas. What a guy. So, thank you for listening to me. Come see the girls.